Hello guys, welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther, and here on Bittruth we make all types of cryptocurrency related content, so if you're new you can subscribe. Okay, and today we want to actually answer the question, is Bitcoin mining, or is Bitcoin mining really consuming that much energy to the extent we need to worry about the environment, about different factors that affect our environment and all that stuff. So today I want to actually answer this question for you guys, and as a crypto miner, cryptocurrency investor and all that stuff, I want to actually answer that question with statistics and really give like Bitcoin, okay, just maybe a bad guess, maybe a good guess. We're going to look at statistics and we're going to actually judge which one is the best. So today we want to talk about Bitcoin energy consumption. Now keep in mind, the thing that I'm going to show you right now is energy statistics from Bitcoin mining in 2017, or in the last quarter of 2017, Q4, or in the last months of 2017. So these are statistics. Okay, more statistics will come out, but I doubt that cryptocurrency mining is that bad. So Bitcoin mining, so how do we want to compare Bitcoin mining energy consumption to really being affecting the environment? What should we compare it to? We should compare it to gold, how much it takes for gold, how much it takes for Bitcoin, and really compare and contrast between the two and see, does really Bitcoin really affect the environment? So the first picture you see right here is from the statistics, okay, the website, I'll keep the link down in the description. This is the Bitcoin energy consumption versus ranked countries. Okay, oh, this is scary. As you can see, North Korea is consuming more energy than Bitcoin needs for mining. Okay, and I want to show you the statistics first, then just jump into like our opinions. So as you can see, it takes about 11.2 terawatt hours per year, 11.2, okay, as comparing to third world countries. Okay, now moving on to this next picture, I'm going to show you that Bitcoin versus gold total energy consumption in barrels of oil equivalent. Bitcoin consumes about 10.1 barrels oil equivalent versus 1.4 for every gold ounce produced. So as you can see, it takes about 1.4 barrels to actually produce 1 gold ounce. It takes about 10.1 barrels of oil equivalent to produce 1 Bitcoin. So really, is that bad? Still, that's per ounce, and we're talking about 1 Bitcoin, so really you need to compare the two. Okay, now the next thing is the shocking thing, so really keep that in mind. This is the Bitcoin versus gold total annual energy consumption. Look at this, in million barrels of oil equivalent, total annual Bitcoin mining consumes 6.6 million barrels of oil equivalent versus 123.2 million barrels oil equivalent for gold. So as you can see, the statistics go for annual gold mining. We're not talking about 1 Bitcoin and 1 ounce. We're not comparing like the quantity. We're comparing the overall. Okay, now with the quantity, yes, there will be a difference. But when you talk about the annual gold production around the world and comparing Bitcoin around the world, okay, Bitcoin's not coming from one place, guys. Okay, Bitcoin's not coming from one place. It's coming from all around the world. All this hashing power is coming from different countries, from different places, from different continents. It's not coming from one place. As you can see, about gold, about 20 times the Bitcoin consumption. So I want to actually tell you what led you to believing the theory that Bitcoin mining takes a lot of energy and affects the environment. Here comes the fact. I want this to be a lesson for you when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Okay, either you're new or you're amateur, or you have been here for long, or expert, not expert. I just want you to think that who put that idea in your mind in the first place, because if you find who actually put that idea in your mind and affected your way of thinking of Bitcoin and digital assets, you're going to find the answer. And a lot of people are going to just say, oh, you're wrong, Mark, you're actually talking about Bitcoin alone, what about Ethereum, what about all this stuff? Let me tell you something, Ethereum doesn't matter, okay? Matter of fact, these cryptocurrencies doesn't matter as much as Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin mining, and I'm not saying cryptocurrencies don't matter, but cryptocurrencies, the other cryptocurrencies, don't make the fraction of Bitcoin mining consumption. So depends on how you look at it. Now I believe that there should be some type of regulations on Bitcoin mining, like using renewable energy, you know, any of that stuff, and not being that like closed in. But what I believe is that that doesn't mean that we have the right to bash in on these industries, because at the end of the day they're making you profit. Okay, you don't actually get the idea, because people, why they're supporting gold mining, because no one talks about it. When someone just types on Reddit, oh, Bitcoin mining is taking too much energy consumption, a lot of people are just going to bash in on Bitcoin and start talking really bad. Okay, and I'm not like really just on the side of the argument, but I'm showing you statistics. You can actually talk. This is why we have the comments down below. You can actually comment down below. But what I believe is that who put the idea in your mind is the thing or the entity that should be removed, which is 90% of the time or 99% of the time is the media. Don't believe the media. Okay, they're hiding tons of stuff from you. Okay, it's just like logic. You need to use your logic. This is why they don't talk about gold mining, because everyone owns gold. Who doesn't have gold? Okay, who didn't invest in gold once or twice? That doesn't make any sense. So please, before you bash in on any cryptocurrency, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on any cryptocurrency out there, remember that there are far things that are affecting this planet than Bitcoin mining. From the way people look at it, they are so biased nowadays that they just like sheep, they follow. And it's not wrong if you like understand the mentality, if you understand an idea. I thought myself that Bitcoin mining is affecting the world. But after reading statistics and going like anti-media style, you can find more statistics that are against this media coverage backed thing. And the funny thing is, there's no cryptocurrency enthusiasts that talk about this, which is weird, because if cryptocurrency media outlets like Cointelegraph and other things, if they don't talk about this, then how are they going to protect Bitcoin? How are they going to protect cryptocurrency reputation? You need to beg that question. Thank you guys for watching, and this was Mark Luther with you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. Don't forget also to comment down below, and we have a Discord if you want to join in and talk with us. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.